Hey guys, this is Austin, and welcome back to Broke vs. Pro Gaming. You guys really seemed to enjoy the last episode, so this time we're taking it to the gaming PC realm.
I got you.
What?
Here, hold the camera.
What?
Let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing, Ken?
Let's go.
Okay, so we are here at Micro Center to build the Pro vs. Broke gaming PCs. What is the budget this time?
So this is a better time than ever to point out that this video is brought to you by Micro Center. Specifically, my part of the video where I get to buy all the stuff with an unlimited budget, thanks to our sponsor of today's video,
Are you serious right now? You're a sellout now. I'm fine, but you're the sellout.
Look, I'm not a sellout. I'm just here to let you know that this is one of Micro Center's 25 locations. We're here in Tustin, California, and if you want a link to any of the items that I bought today, they'll be in the description, or feel free to visit your local Micro Center.
You know, it's exactly like Ken, to get a secret sponsor and not tell me. And of course, that sponsor benefits him and not me. I mean, I shouldn't be surprised. I feel like he has a lot of sponsors in mystery tech I'm just not aware of.
This video is brought to you by Micro Center. Go to Micro Center for all of your PC needs.
Okay, so all good PC builds, especially ones that have unlimited budget, start with the PC case, of course, because this is the thing that everyone sees, and it's a thing that signifies that you are pro.
You care about aesthetics, not actual performance.
Oh wait, this is a standing desk with a PC in it.
We're not trying to fit this in the office. No. 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 No.
Oh my God, what is
that?
this? Oh my God, like it has the water cooling on the front?
Are you literally just gonna buy a pre-built right now?
I mean, it's not against the rules, right? Let me go see if there's someone that can
like how many
help
water
us
cooled computers
here.
can Micro Center
Wait.
Oh no.
Ah.
Dude, are you serious right now?
I've always wanted a crazy RGB water cooled PC, and that's pretty crazy RGB. That's
a main gear?
That is a main gear PC actually. Cool.
Oh no, there's a remote for it?
So it has Core i9 9900K, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and 2080 Ti with 11 gigs of VRAM.
And this PC is running the best operating system for gaming, Windows 10, which is available in the link in the description below at microcenter.com. This thing looks awesome. I have to do literally no work. I'm also paying for labor, but that's okay. I don't have to pay for it myself because the gracious sponsor of today's video, Micro Center, is doing it for me.
I will be taking this one because it doesn't look like it is here.
You're just gonna take the display model right now?
I will take the display model. It's cheaper. It's cheaper. I know you like that. I know you like that.
I'll actually tell you how expensive it'll be.
Ooh.
Are you getting a discount literally as we speak right now?
Give Micro Center.
Cooler. You see his shirt?
Did you just say he looks cooler?
I love Micro Center even more now. Their employees know what's up.
By the way, Austin, the Apple sections.
Oh! We couldn't make that up even if we wanted to.
So while Ken might decide to go and buy some pre-built water-cooled computer, I am going to do it the old-fashioned way and build it myself.
I mean, I'm working with less than 10% of what Ken has, right? I mean, he has more money in his water cooling than I have for my entire setup. So one of my thoughts is I can go with like integrated graphics and go super cheap, or I could cut all the corners and try to squeeze the cheapest graphics card I can.
Hey dude.
Just want to say hi.
Oh, thanks man, appreciate it. Yeah, we're just shooting a video right now, as you can probably see. Awesome, hey, have a good one.
Alrighty, Austin.
Oh.
Because you said budget, I went ahead and grabbed
Why would you do What are you doing to me, man?
It's an open box.
It's an open box for what? It's $700.
You're right. So let's scale it down a little.
Ah, this guy right here.
One of the legit advantages of going to a store like Micro Center is that it's not as straightforward as like, oh, I'm just gonna order this brand new part, right? I'm trying to take advantage of open box. I'm trying to take advantage of bundle deals. I'm trying to take advantage of the dusty thing they've got in the back that they've totally forgot about. Like whatever I can do to save a few dollars and make my system remotely gameable, gamified, game malicious, game catastrophe. I need to game on a very small budget.
This is a very explosive value, you might want to say. Right, Austin?
Look, usually it's a good idea to get a very nice power supply that will work for years and years to come and give you excellent reliability. And sometimes I'm trying to be Ken and I need a 400 watt power supply.
Look, sometimes in life, you should do as I say, not as I do.
That's it, my friend. Thank you so much. I would shake your hand, but
That's all right.
I'm going to do it very carefully. Okay, we're going to do this. Thank you for the help. I'm going to go and be victorious in my gaming exploits. All right, so it is time to build my Micro Center PC. Now I see that you're already set up here.
I am.
Like how much work that took you.
It was very laborious.
Oh yeah, it was so hard to plug in the power cable.
Dude,
press
this
the
thing,
RGB button.
this thing is not light at all. I needed
Oh,
to.
boo-hoo, you had to pick up your $30,000 PC.
No, Matt had to, but that's fine.
You didn't do it yourself.
So a bunch of y'all complained last time that I didn't have a mouse pad. And the sponsor of today's video, Micro Center, just so happened to pay for everything, and they also let me get a HyperX Fury S.
Does that come out of my budget?
Probably.
It's on my receipt.
Yeah. We're done.
That's, yep. Pro gamer right here, ladies and gentlemen.
What are you doing?
Building my GPU mining case. There's a lot of components in here.
Wow. That looks like a lot of work.
So my graphics card
How?
should go something like here.
Yes.
However, my motherboard down here, because I believe as a mining card, this is meant to be used with risers, something that I did not think ahead about.
Team Poverty not looking great today. So I'm just gonna take this. I'm just gonna put it. No,
No.
Okay, well.
I
If
need
you're
a
not,
power
if you're
supply,
not,
Ken.
if you're not gonna put it next to the fire extinguisher, then I'm gonna take the fire extinguisher to you.
Look, it's fine. Don't worry about it.
Look, I'm just trying to be a good friend. It's happened once before. I'm out for him. Like, I know it's kind of a competition. I gotta keep it friendly. And I care about his business. And I need to make sure that fires don't happen on my watch. Look, I wasn't hired back then, so I mean.
Ken, with all the fun you've been making on my PC, you missed the best part. My power cable. There we go, see? Power cable. That's that's my power button right there.
Or as I like to call it, a detonator.
No! My power cable. Oh, you know what? So I think my broke setup is about done. As you can see, we have our processor, our memory, motherboard, graphics card, SSD, power supply, as well as our case, all set up, nicely cable managed and ready for some gaming action. Hey, it works! I don't know what. Wait, here, take this. My graphics card is spinning, my CPU is spinning.
Jesus.
It's fine. Look, once I know this works, I will actually try to clean some cables. My power supply is power supplying, and have I posted? Nope, I want DVI. Give me DVI. Okay, I'm gonna need to do some testing. But hey, this is a good sign. There's signs of life. My fans are spinning. My USB peripherals are USBing. I'm sure I can figure this out by tomorrow when we do the actual test off.
We've been here for like an hour and a half.
No, we're doing it tomorrow, it's fine.
Okay.
So, after some minor alterations to my computer, it is fully functional with some wonderful LTT store. Oh wait, sorry, no, wrong channel. Some generic brand cable ties to make sure that it is all perfectly functional, perfectly wonderful. Look,
It is very less bomb-like.
Look, it's fine. Don't mind the thin gauge wiring. Don't mind the fact that I don't have enough space to install games, so I might be using an external. What are you doing? You just turned off my.
It's on my side of the table, so.
I had all my games set up. I was all ready. You're a man.
The detonator's a power button. Like, how could I not press it?
Last episode, we took a look at the peripherals, so monitor, mouse, keyboard, headset, and I pretty much showed the world that you don't need to be Ken Bolito and spend a giant pile of money on all your accessories. So I think it only seems fair that because we are doing the Game PC edition this time, we're gonna use all of those same peripherals, except that Ken forgot to bring his headset, and I have already used my monitor for something else, so I'm seeing a downgrade and he's seeing an upgrade. Again, story of my life. Ken cheats, I get the worst end of it, it's fine.
We have a full group of easy bots. I'm not cheating, my team's not better or anything. Now, let's play, shall we?
So in my great need of a graphics card, I picked up whatever I could, and it is doing great for games. What it is not doing well for is recording, which is why even though I'm getting a very smooth, incredibly buttery frame rate, the recording's like 10 FPS. That's fine. He's got a graphic card with like shadow play and all this kind of stuff. I'm doing it the old-fashioned way using OBS. So, you know, CPU encoding is great. AKA, my footage looks better in real life. Don't mind this terrible recording.
All right, here we go. Here we go.
You have no chance, my friend. No chance.
No chance, eh? Bye, Austin.
Run faster. Run
Yeah.
faster. No.
Look at all of those kills. Hey guys, this is Austin. Hey guys, I'm running away from Ken.
No, I'm not. What?
Couldn't run away
This
fast
is
enough.
bad. I don't like this at all.
All right, let's
no.
go play the objective.
Yeah. There we go. Got one. Got one.
Oh God, I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead.
Ha 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 ha.
Not if you can find me though, but
Look at that excellent objective defense. What a great amount of teamwork from me and my AI buddies. Where are you?
Oh God, I'm not telling you.
Ah, I see you. I see you. I see you. Ah! What was that?
Oh man, so much is happening right now.
Dude, this is such a mess with all these like easy AIs. Like everyone, literally everyone sucks.
All right, Roadhog, Roadhog, Roadhog next. Roadhog next. Yeah.
Damn it.
Ah!
Come on. Come on.
Ah,
Go.
Lucio. Lucio. The f***ing
Son.
Bastion. The f***ing Bastion. You mother.
You're raging over there, Ken?
No. 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 I was so close.
Victory for Team Austin and the cheap setup.
Play the game though.
Play the game. My name's Ken. I can play the game.
My bot team was awful. I carried everyone.
Care to 1v1 on CSGO?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Totally.
I am running at a super smooth 78 frames per second right now at 1080p.
Okay. Oh God.
Oh. Oh, no.
Already.
This is
Already.
bad. This is bad. I don't like this. Ha ha ha! I'm just gonna stay
There
here.
we go.
Oh,
rip.
That's
Rip.
bad.
3.
Don't like
It was
this.
a 3-piece. Oh my God, this terrible display. This terrible display. Oh God. No, no, no,
Yes!
no, no,
Yes!
no, no, no.
Yes!
I was not ready. I was not ready.
I mean, it took me like 30 shots to get you, but it's fine. It counts.
Oh man.
Someone's about to spawn in. I'm literally gonna shoot them in the back of the face. Oh.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Okay. Not the case. Are you gonna get swept right now? Am I gonna beat you in both games right now? Is that what that kind of seems like? Oh.
1.
Okay.
Oh, that was a 2-piece. Cool. I did not even realize. No, that is Austin. That is Austin. That is Austin. It's now a problem of like I'm trying to compete for kills with my.
For your teammates?
Yeah. Oh my.
It's okay. They're bots. They're fine.
There we go.
Oh hi, it me.
Oh my God, my bots are just too good.
The robots are taking over the world, sure, whatever, but you don't have to steal my kills, man. Why?
I'm almost in last place right now. This is not good. I've died a lot of times in a row.
1, 2.
Aw.
All right. Yep. Back in first place. What is up?
So what have we learned today?
Nobody won.
Thank you very much for watching this episode of Pro vs. Broke Gaming, and let me know in the You're gonna break your headphones. My computer will chew them up and spit them out. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Pro vs. Broke Gaming, and of course, let us know who won in the comments below. Is it Ken and his ridiculous overkill system, or is it me with the everyman practical system that anyone could build?
I was just having a little fun. Sorry.
We'll see you guys next time.